Syncing your accounts on the Credit and Debt platform is simple and easy. To get started, log into your account and click the Sync to Learn More button. Next, search for your primary bank. Some of the most popular banking institutions are available on the front screen, but if you don't see yours, you can search for it in the search bar provided. You'll be prompted to log into your bank's online account. This is different from your Credit and Debt login. Click Connect and wait for just a few minutes while we gather your data and work some finance magic. That's it! Your first account is synced and your tools will be updated shortly. To manage your accounts, click the Synced Accounts button in the bottom left corner. From here, you'll be able to add any additional accounts like credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, and even investment accounts. Now that your first account is synced, watch the next video to learn how to navigate the tools and resources in the platform.